Carter, and there was a thunderstorm here. There's like right now, look at the clouds right there. Good thing there's no tornado. Ah! Well, I want to show you the areas that are damaged. Hey, Daddy, can I look at the areas that are damaged? Okay. Okay, I won't. He told me not to drop the camera. That's what gave me big trouble. Okay, well, I'm going to the place. Whatever. Oh, and here's the tree that got cut off. See it right there? Ah! Oh, look, berry stuff. Well, oh, look at this. It has been a very severe thunderstorm, and the weathercasts were just like making stuff up. Something was wrong with their brain. Wait, that was not the brain, that was the radio. The radio was blinking orange. Like we have this radio. It blinks. It blinks yellow, orange, and red. But I'm really scared when it blinks red because yellow, green is fine because the quartz is fine. It says power, and then the yellow is okay. The orange is not really that. Is worse. It's not really that okay, but it's a little bit like this close to fine. Well, the warning when it blinks red, it's this close to fine. This close. It's not even fine. Well, actually, sometimes it's fine because, like, that was a severe thunderstorm and it was a blinking orange, but it was supposed to blink red because that was a terrible, severe thunderstorm. But when it only blinks red when there's a severe thunderstorm. But if it's not a severe thunderstorm, it doesn't blink red. So I think it shouldn't be blinking red now. It's just like clouds and stuff, see? Well, yeah. Yeah, so, that's kind of it for the weather stuff. So, bye, peace out, generator, weather, tornadoes. Well, there are no tornadoes here. Peace out, home dog, weather, Agenda World.